Hello students, in last video I teach you first topic motion of an object for first chapter law of motion. It means we know motion is a relative concept. We know motion is a relative concept. Motion is a relative concept, and if the position of an object is changing with respect to its surrounding, then is said to be motion. Is said to be motion. Otherwise, it said to be at rest. Otherwise, it said to be at rest. In this video, I teach you second topic for law of motion. The second topic is, look here, look on screen. The second topic is displacement and distance. Displacement and distance I teach you with help by figure. I have drawn the figure on screen, so all students look carefully on a screen. So on screen I have drawn initial point A and final point B, and I have drawn several path for initial point A and final point B. So all students, we measure the distance between point A and point B in a different way shown in a figure. Firstly, we measure the distance in this way. Then measure the distance in this way, and finally measure the distance along the dotted line. In book, on page number first, ask you a question. Question is, which distance is correct according to you and why? तुम्हाला असा प्रश्न विचारलाय की कोणतं अंतर तुमच्यानुसार, तुमच्या म्हणण्यानुसार बरोबर आहे, करेक्ट आहे आणि का? Your observation I tell you. So all students listen carefully. Do it. The distance measure along the curve path. Distance measure along the curve path, including loops from A and B is the correct as far means दूर, as far लांबवरचा रस्ता, दूरवरचा रस्ता, as the distance covered by particle moving from A and B along that path is concerned. The distance measured along the dotted line give the magnitude. Dotted line give the magnitude of the displacement. Give the magnitude. Displacement. The distance measured along the dotted line give the magnitude of the displacement. Magnitude of the displacement of the particle from A to B. But if the motion of a particular particle is not under consider, particle is not under consider, that is we simply wish to know the separation between A and B, the distance measure along dotted line from A to B will be correct, one. Dotted line is a actual path. Dotted line is a shorted path. And this path is actual path. And a dotted line is a shorted path, and this is a actual path. I think we understand actual path and shorted path. So I teach you a definition for a distance and a displacement. So all students listen carefully. I teach you distance and displacement. Firstly, I tell you definition for a distance. Definition for a distance. Distance is the length. Distance ही काय आहे? लेंथ आहे of the actual path. I draw on a screen actual path. This is a actual path. Distance is the length of actual path traveled by an object in motion while going from one point to another. Okay, I think we understand definition of distance. So I tell you distance quantity. Distance does not have a direction. Distance ला direction नाही. But distance have magnitude. Therefore, distance is a scalar quantity. In exam, ask you a question: why a distance is a scalar quantity? This time we write answer. Distance does not have direction. But distance has a magnitude. Therefore, distance is a scalar quantity. I think we understand definition of distance and their quantity. So I tell you unit for distance. So listen carefully, all students. Firstly, I tell you units, SI units. The SI unit of distance is meter. Small m means meter, and CGS unit is a centimeter. SI unit for distance is meter and CGS unit for distance is a centimeter. Okay, I think we understand definition for distance, their quantity and their units. So I teach you a next concept for displacement. So listen carefully. Displacement is the minimum distance between the starting and finishing point. Minimum distance. I draw a figure on screen. A is a initial point, B is a final point. It means A is a starting point and B is a finishing point. Displacement is the minimum distance between the starting and finishing point. Minimum distance, dotted line is a minimum distance. Dotted line is a minimum distance. Okay, I think we understand definition of displacement. This dotted line distance is called a displacement. So I tell you their quantity. Displacement has magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction. Displacement has a magnitude and direction. Therefore, displacement is a vector quantity. Vector quantity. In exam, ask you a question: why displacement is a vector quantity? So this time you write displacement has a magnitude. Displacement has a magnitude. Displacement ला magnitude आहे. As well as direction. Displacement ला magnitude असून direction सुद्धा आहे. Therefore, displacement is a vector quantity. Listen carefully again. I tell you, displacement has a magnitude as well as direction. Therefore, displacement is a vector quantity. I think we understand displacement definition, displacement quantity. So I tell you displacement units. SI unit and CGS unit of displacement is same as those of distance. It means SI unit is a meter and CGS unit is सेंटीमीटर. म्हणजेच डिस्प्लेसमेंट आणि डिस्टन्स हे जे एस आय आणि सी जी एस युनिट दोन्हीही सेम आहेत. आय थिंक वी अंडरस्टँड डिस्प्लेसमेंट डेफिनेशन, देअर क्वांटिटी अँड देअर युनिट्स. I think we understand the concept displacement and distance. So I stop and I meet you in a next video. Thank you.